So, are you tired of seeing annoying YouTube channels pop up everywhere on your YouTube? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to go about blocking them in just 60 seconds. So just stay with me as I review that to you. So first thing first, I'll need to go to my YouTube. So right now, I'm on my YouTube. So what you do at this point is go through your feed to locate that particular video or channel you want to block. So let's assume I want to block this particular channel. I don't want to be seeing content from this channel again. So what I'll do is I'll just click on these three dots right here. Once I click on that, you can see right here we have don't recommend channel. Can you see that? So once you click on that, then it will show you that we won't recommend videos from this channel to you again. I see that. So what it means that any content that comes from that channel, you won't get to see them again. Like you've stopped YouTube from recommending that channel to you. Do you understand? So I'll be showing you the second way you can go about fixing or blocking channels on YouTube. So the second way is for you to come to this same three dots we just clicked right now. So I'll click on undo. So when I click on these three dots again, so right here you can see where we have not interested. Are you seeing that? Not interested. So click on not interested. So once you click on not interested, can you see video removed? Are you seeing that? Video removed. So it means that similar content will not be shown to you again. Like they might still show you content from that channel, but this exact topic, this similar kind of content, this exact topic will not be shown to you again on YouTube. Hope you get that point. So let me go ahead and click on undo again and show you the third way you can go about blocking someone. So now this third one is probably there's a particular channel that usually comes to your videos and drop negative comments, or you're not feeling the energy from that person. I'll be showing you how to block that person from seeing your channel or from seeing your videos. So just go to that channel. Let's assume this is the channel right here. So once I click on the channel itself, so right here I'll be on the profile of that person. So just come to this top these three dots at the top right here. Once you click on that three dots, you can see right here we have share, we have hide user from my channel. Can you see that? Hide user from my channel. So click that hide user from my channel, and henceforth this person will not see your videos and will not see your channel again. So you can see hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel. So once I click on hide user, the person will no longer see my videos and will no longer see my channel. So that is basically how you go about blocking someone on YouTube. There's not actually the block button on YouTube. Like YouTube has not done that yet. Once they do that, I'll update you guys on how you can block someone formally. But with these three features, you are still blocking someone on YouTube. So if you got value, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to the channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye guys.